Good morning, this is Laz from Mesa Balancing Racing Engines in Hialeah, Florida. We're going to be testing one of our MP600 naturally aspirated motors today. I hope you guys enjoy. Please check us out on Instagram and follow us on Facebook. We specialize in high-performance engine development with full machine shop, dyno, and CNC facilities. For any questions, please feel free to contact us by email or phone call, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram.